is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. In the month of March, we are going to focus on yoga for strength.
In this session, we are going to focus on your core muscles, which includes your abs, your back, your butt, and your hips. Let's find a nice tall posture. Take a deep breath in and bring your hands to your heart. Feel free to close your eyes if you like and focus on your breath. Settle down. If you've been moving around a lot today or other things are going on in your life, come back to you. Notice your breath and take a deep breath in and out. Try to breathe into your belly and out of your belly, letting your belly relax and expand with your breathing. If you can, try to breathe through your nose. And as you exhale, squeeze the air out, really working your core, exhaling out. 2 more times, deep breath in through your nose, into your belly. Letting it relax and expand, and exhale out. Squeeze all of the air out. 1 more time, out. And relax. Go ahead and bring your hands up over your heart. Stay where you are, but I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see. Send your weight to your heels and send your heart down with your chest up. We're doing skier pose, so we're working the lower back right now, which is an essential part of the core holding you upright. Deep breath in and out. If you can go a little bit more parallel with the floor, go more parallel with the floor. 1 more deep inhale and exhale. Then inhale, stand tall. Bring your hands to your core, shoulder back. Send your weight to the right leg. Pick up that left knee. So a lot of balancing poses you really need your core for. Place your hands up, shoulders back, and try to hold and stand. Take a deep breath in and out. If you can, try to do it actually without your hands to let your hips do a little bit of the work and the core find that stability here. Then we're going to drop the knee down to the ground. If you need to hold on to something, hold on to something. Left hand grabs that left leg and holds it. We're going to kick into the hand. Right hand comes in front. Left hand is being kicked into dancer pose. You're still using that core because it's a balance here. If you want to kick in a little higher, you can kick in a little higher. Try to breathe in and out. And we're also opening up that left hip. Gently lower the left knee down and the left foot down. Lift up tall, place your weight into the left leg, bend the right knee, right hand, right ankle if you can. If you cannot do this motion, you can kick your foot back against a wall and hold it there. From here, kick into that right hand, left arm in front, and try to balance here. Holding your breath in and out. And we're going to go backwards like we did on the other side. We're going to bring that right knee into your chest and hold. If you can, do it without your hands holding on. Really make that hip work. Knee up higher works the iliopsoas, that muscle that brings your leg up a little bit more. And gently lower down. Inhale, lift up. And hinge from your hips down to a forward fold. Bend your knees as much as you like. This is the beginning of this class. Your legs may not be too warm, and that's okay. Then we're going to swoop the arms back, chest up, heart up, chin up, hinging from the hips up. Again, we're working the back muscles right now. And exhale, swan dive down to your forward fold. Then with your next inhale, reverse swan dive up. And next exhale, go ahead and hang out down to a forward fold. Bend your knees, walk your feet down, and find your tabletop. Lift your hips up, your shoulders back, your chin up into cow pose. Take a deep breath here. Notice how your lungs are open. And exhale, hinging from the hips, arching your back, rounding your spine, tucking your tailbone in and dropping your head down to cat pose. And let's go back and forth, but really work the muscles. Squeeze your back as you lift your bottom up and your chest up. And then tucking your tailbone in, arching your back, separating the shoulder blades, and really squeeze right here. Couple more times, in and open. And back.
and up.
And back.
Then find the tabletop and hold. Kick the left leg back, right arm up, and holding here, reach the arm up and left leg up, and exhale, elbow to the knee. Really crunch, squeeze the core, and reach up in front of you. Lift up that arm and leg, and back in, and reach up, and back in. Gently place both down. Right leg kicks back, left arm is in front, reach up high to the sky, both the right leg and the left arm. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, reach. And exhale, elbow to the knee. Gently lower down the knees and the hand, tuck the toes under, lift up, hovering, and exhale down. Lift up the knees, hovering about an inch or so, and down. One more time, up and down. From here, we're gonna kick the legs back, come onto your elbows right here, and lift your hips up. Planks are wonderful core exercises. Holding here, a few breaths in and out. 2 more breaths. 1 more. And gently lower the legs. Come on up. Come on back now into a plank. Holding it here. Squeeze a little higher now. If you need to go back to that modification, you can, or you can drop your knees. 3 big breaths here. In and out through the nose. Good. 1 more breath. Then we're gently going to drop the legs down. Come onto your belly. We're going to lift up the legs and the arms at the same time to Superman or Superwoman. Inhale, lift. Working the back. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. And down. 1 more time, up. And this time we're going to make a little bit more of a stretch out of it. Clasping the ankles if you can, and round on up. Breathe into your belly. And gently lower. Place your hands up. We're going to turn around onto your back. However you do so, you get there. That's fine. Turning around. But this time we're onto our bottom. Shoulders are back. From here, we're going to actually lift up and then straighten the legs if you can. Your feet can be flexed or they can be pointed. Shoulders are back. Take 3 big breaths here if you can do it. In and out. 1. Keep the hips high, shoulders back. Up, 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 in. Exhale, 2. Good. And 1 more, you can do it. 3. Gently lower down. That was a really good lower back strength right there, which again is a part of your core. You can go into a forward fold if you like. Then we're gonna lift up. Bend those knees, shoulders go back. Lifting the legs up, you can keep your hands underneath here, or you can let go. Shoulders back. If you can straighten the legs, straighten the legs. If not, don't worry about it. If you feel like you're gonna fall, tuck the chin in so the back of your head doesn't hit the ground hard. You can try it here and straighten the legs, or 2 peace fingers, big toes. Don't be surprised if you roll back. Again, find your chin into your chest and lift up if you can. Then bend the knees and hold here. From here, if you have lower back issues, maybe stay here. If not, we're going down and up. 2 more, down and up. 1 more, down and up. Hold it here. If you can straighten the legs, do the best you can, in and out through the nose. Then bring the feet down and find a forward fold into this angle bound, aka butterfly pose. Then gently come on up. Bring the feet together. Come onto your onto your back, shoulders back and down. We're gonna lift up the hips into bridge, up and down. 2 more times, up and down. 1 more time, up
and down. Go ahead and lift up the legs and then lower the toes down and up and down, up and down. From here, bring the knees in. We're going to cross the right leg over the left. Right leg is over the left, knees are on top of knees. If you can, clasp your right ankle back and around that left ankle. We're doing eagle legs. If you can't, or if this is too confusing, just cross it here, no problem. From here, the right arm is on the bottom. The left elbow goes on top of the right. You're gonna lift up and clasp your hands through to laying down, supine eagle. If this is too much for you, just keep it here. There's no problem. If you have it, great. If not, that's okay. We're gonna lift up and hold this eagle. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Release. Unleash and unravel the legs. We're gonna try the other side. Left leg on top of the right. Clasp around that right ankle if you can with the foot. If not, don't stress it and watch out for any knee injuries. Left arm on bottom because your left leg is on top. Right elbow on top of the left. Clasp the hands and crunch for 3, 2, 1. Release. 2 peace fingers, big toes. Find the happy baby and open up. Feel free to rock side to side. If you want to go into full straddle, you can go into the full straddle, stretching out the inner hips right there. Then we're gonna reach the legs long, arms come long, stretching out the tummy, deep breath in that region. And go ahead and let your feet fall out, your legs go out a little further, your arms cactus out, and take a few moments just to restore here and breathe. Allow yourself just to melt and feel the region of your core. If you want to turn over to the right, you can, or you can come straight up to a seated position, but take your time, use that core to sit up. Ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips. So the arms up to the sky, deep breath here, hands to the heart. Take a moment of silent gratification, thanking everything you have. And tell your body thank you for working the core, the foundation of the center. Take a deep breath in and out. Namaste.